Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope everyone is doing good. So those who are new to my channel, let me tell you that I make videos related to dentistry. If you have any particular topic and you want me to make video on that, please do put it down in the comment section. And yes, of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So today we are going to talk about what are the steps that you have to keep in mind before starting your NEET MDS examination preparation. So as you all know that NEET MDS is a quite tough exam. It is basically a roller coaster journey for a student, which is full of emotions, hard work, fear that what if I am unable to crack the exam, and overcoming of these fear, and then realizing that what will be my future if I success in these NEET MDS examination. So all of these things they kept on revolving in a student mind while they appear for NEET MDS examination. So I am gonna tell you the things which you have to keep in mind before you are planning you have to go and opt for your Master of Dental Surgery program. The things that you have to keep in mind. First thing is that let us first know the basic of these NEET MDS examination. So these NEET MDS examination is conducted by National Board of Examinations, and the thing is that if these NEET MDS examination is there, that means it is conducted all over India. Only two exam, that is your PGI and AIIMS exam, does not comes under this. They are being taken separately by the respective institution themselves. You have to clear your Bachelor of Dental Surgery plus 1 year internship. You have to have your degree certificate before applying or before filling the form of these NEET MDS examination. So the thing that you have to other thing that you have to keep in mind, when to start your preparation. Starting your preparation should start as early as possible, because if you start early your preparation, your half of the work is done. Why I'm saying so? Because there are many students, they start preparing while internship. I'm pretty much sure that there are 98 to 99% students who start preparing their NEET MDS examination when they are in internship. So if you have 8 to 10 months of your preparation, 2 months ऐसे ही सोचने में अगर निकल गए, तो you have 8 to 10 months of your preparation. You can just complete up your subject in 4 to 5 months, and then you can start off with the revision for first to 2 months, next 2 month revision. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months you have covered. Plus you have 2 more months, you can do 1 more revision at that time also. The third question is, what should be the basic behind starting NEET preparation? That is, whether I should join a clinic and then do NEET preparation, or I just do NEET preparation and not joining the clinic. So one thing you have to keep in mind that you cannot sail in two boats. दोनों जगह पैर रखोगे तो it will be a disbalanced journey. If you are thinking that you will not do clinics, then you will not have a patient exposure, what will you do? So ultimately, if you want to clear your NEET MDS examination and want to take MDS examination and you get entered into the MDS examination course, then probably for the entire 3 years you will have the clinical exposure. So just keep aside patient करने के लिए, you have entire year and after your full life is there. But what will happen if you are unable to clear your NEET MDS examination? You have to drop 1 more year, you have to give 1 more year. This wasting 1 more year, that it is just, beside wasting these 1 year, it is best that you just drop the clinical practice कि clinic भी जाएं और पढ़ें भी. Just concentrate and focus on your study only. Next question is whether we have to do MCQ and theory. So MCQs and theories has to be done like simultaneously. Why I am saying so? Because if you just go on focusing on MCQ, I have seen many of them, they say that we have done Dental Pulse 3 times. We are pretty much sure we will clear it. But let me tell you, in our time there was not a single question which came from the Dental Pulse. So this behavior is totally wrong, that you do Dental Pulse 3-4 times and you'll able to get a government seat. It is very much wrong. You have to go with the theory also. Just prepare your theory part in the morning and solve the entire MCQs in the evening, or you can do vice versa also, depending on whatever suits you best. Or either you can go chapter wise, you can just do the one chapter and start solving it MCQs then and there only, and then you proceed with the next chapter. Or you can always do like you have a 1 week, give it to entirely one subject. From Monday to Friday you keep on reading theories and MCQ, Saturday you do revision, and Sunday you can go for the test series. There are various institute which they conduct their test series, like we have DAMS, we have DBMCI, we have CDs. You can always go and just buy their test series product, and on Sundays you can go and give test series, or you can give simultaneously also, depending upon your choice and what time you have to plan. Because if you are doing internship, you have to go to the college also from 9 to 3 or 9 to 4. You have to be there in the college also, and then you have to study also, so it is quite a tough time. So that you have to balance it. Instead of wasting time in gossiping in the college, you can just study at that time. You can discuss it with your friend also at that time, and when you'll come home, you can always revise what you have read over there. So all these things, if you are thinking to prepare for NEET MDS examination, you have to all these things clear in your mind, that what will be there. And plus one thing that you have to keep in mind is time management has to be there, because there will be 240 question. You will get 240 question, and 3 hours will be there. Probably less than 1 minute for one question is there. So that you have to keep in mind. You have to keep on practicing the question papers, even on the Sundays you can take, or after preparing 2-3 subjects all together, you can start doing your revision with the question papers. Past year question paper, Neeraj Wadhwan book is there. I have made a video on the books that is to be read in NEET MDS examination. I'll mention that link in my description. You can just go there and just watch the video. So this was all about the NEET MDS examination preparation. If you have any problem, you can just put it down in my comment section. And yes, of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you can also message me on my Instagram. I'll definitely reply to your messages. So I'm signing it off. Take care and all the best.